Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
What is up guys, welcome to software learning. So today in this video I am going to show you how to go live on YouTube without OBS or any stream encoder software. So let's get started. So first of all you need to switch to the latest version of your YouTube. Here is a new interface. If you are using old interface then this feature is not available, and you must need a Google Chrome. So this feature is only available on Google Chrome. So in the future this may be available for other browsers. So you need to switch to the latest interface of YouTube. So I am in the latest interface of YouTube. So here you can see that this sign, this video sign and plus, and your webcam is attached to your PC. So simply click on it, and here you can see that go live. So simply click on go live, and here if your webcam is attached to your PC or you have a laptop, then here choose the title and choose what you want and click on more option and choose the description or whatever you want. And here is the here is the video cam, or here is the microphone. So simply click on next, putting the title, or simply click on next, and this will be starting. And here you can see that, and it's starting. So simply go on live, and first he capture your thumbnail. So here you can retake and upload custom thumbnail. So I'm going to go online, click on, and here going, and you are live, and I am live. So here is a 6 second and 7, and this is the video. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, if you want to end the stream, simply click on this end stream and end. So here is a simple method you can go live on your YouTube channel without any encoder software or OBS. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.